Hello everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare AI channel. If you need to read a lot of PDF files, then remember to save today's video, because we will introduce you the best PDF reader. Tenorshare PDF AI. Now a traditional PDF reader cannot improve our work and study efficiency, but Tenorshare PDF AI is not just a reader, but an AI PDF summarizer tool. It's also free. You can ask questions about the PDF. It will summarize the content of the article to give you accurate answers. Now, go to the official website of Tenorshare AI. First register an account. Then click here to upload our file. When we come to the reading screen, we can see all the files we uploaded here. And here is a dialog box where we can ask questions. On this side there are the recommended questions in case you don't have a clue. We can start by having it summarize the structure of the article so we can get a general idea of the content. Next is the most important part of the questioning process. I got my answer very quickly. In addition, Tenorshare PDF AI also supports multi-language, such as English, Japanese, French, Korean. It is really convenient for multi-language users. If you need a PDF reader, you must try Tenorshare AI. I believe you will not be disappointed. So that is for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.